Now, in the trial of a man accused of covering up the murder of a Georgia beauty queen, the defense is arguing that he had a deal in place before he told investigators where her body was.
Tara Grinstead was killed in Irwin County, Georgia. The trial is underway in Wilcox County. Channel 2's Tony Thomas, they're live with the unusual witness called to testify today.
Yeah, Justin, the district attorney here in Wilcox County actually called a fellow district attorney from a neighboring county to the stand. At issue is Bo Duke's parent claims, it hasn't really come out straightforward in court, that he only came forward and changed his story because he thought there was a deal in place. A deal, he thought, that required him to say that his best friend killed Tara Grinstead.
To help you God. I do.
Paul Bowden is the top prosecutor handling the murder trial for Ryan Duke, the man accused of actually killing Tara Grinstead back in 2005.
Did you make any deals with Bo Duke at that time about refused charges?
Bowden was involved in a meeting with Bo Dukes just before the former Atlanta resident gave what authorities now believe was a true confession. Bo Dukes faces charges he'd lied to authorities previously in the investigation about what actually happened to the missing teacher and beauty queen. Dukes' defense lawyer says after Bowden told Dukes he needed to be truthful, he also made a promise.
It was then you explained that if that occurred, you were in a position to help.
Yes.
Bowden's testimony came after the jury and Grinstead's family, who is sitting in the front row, watched the last interview Dukes gave to GBI agents. This is where he changed his story, claiming to come clean and admit his then friend Ryan Duke killed Tara, then asked him to help destroy her body.
And moved her body into the wood area. There was a bunch of wood and burned it. Over a period of like 2 days.
And late Wednesday, a Kennesaw State University anthropologist who oversaw the search for the remains showed the jury pictures of bone fragments, the only remains authorities have ever found linked to the Grinstead case.
I could tell they'd been burned.
And this trial being held here in Wilcox County because it's here where the GBI says they interviewed Bo Dukes and he'd lied to them. Now, word is this case could be to the jury sometime later tomorrow.
Yeah.
Live in Wilcox County, Tony Thomas, Channel 2 Action News.